My name is Ramesh and today we're going to do an exciting topic, a beautiful topic of geometry, and the name of the topic is triangles. Now when we say triangles, we know about this, right? What is a triangle? We know what is a triangle. What is the definition of a triangle? It says that a polygon made up of three line segments, or we can also say that a closed plane figure bounded by three line segments is nothing but a triangle. Now that's very simple. What you see right now is a triangle. What's the name of this triangle? Triangle ABC. Or we can call it as triangle BAC. We can call it as triangle CAB, right? Different ways. That is a triangle ABC which we have. A polygon made up of three line segments is called as a triangle. Now when we talk about a triangle, it has got two elements, right? It is made up of sides and angles. It has got three sides. These are the sides AB, BC, AC. These are the three sides. And it has got three angles. That is nothing but angle C, angle A, angle B. Beautiful. You see the name, it says triangle. A figure made up of three angles. That's the way we can call it, right? So now we understood what is a triangle. We know what is a triangle, how we name a triangle, right? So that's a triangle having three sides and three angles. Now observe very carefully. What do we see? Wow, so many triangles here, right? So many triangles. So triangles can be of different types. So what we are learning and discussing now is nothing but types of triangles. Let's identify, let's learn the type of triangles. Now triangles can be classified in two types, right? Different. It can be classified on the basis of their sides and on the basis of their angles. Now on the basis of sides, we can have three: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, and on the basis of angles, we have right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. So that's what. So we have six types of triangles here: three on the basis of sides and three on the basis of angles. Now let's understand this. Let's learn each of them one by one. So let's discuss triangles on the basis of sides. When we say on the basis of sides, let's understand. The very first thing which you are discussing is nothing but the equilateral triangle. Now what's an equilateral triangle? Let's talk about the length of the three segments which is forming that triangle. So if you look here, they are starting from the same point at the base, right? If you look at their length, all you check, they are of the same length. That means we have got three line segments, they are of the same length, and with the help of this, let's form a triangle. So now we have a triangle here with equal line segments. That means they are of equal length. So we know all sides are equal. So an equilateral triangle is a triangle where all the three sides are equal. That means we mean to say here AB is equal to AC is equal to BC. Isn't that interesting? So we know what is an equilateral triangle. All three sides equal. Let's go on to the next one on the basis of sides. That is nothing but on the basis of length of the sides. That is nothing but isosceles triangle. Now observe here the three line segments which we have considered. If you look carefully, you see the length of two are same. The one is different. That means here we have got two line segments of equal length. So observe, we form a triangle, and this triangle is called as isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle is a triangle where we have two sides to be equal. That means here we have triangle ABC, it is isosceles, means we are saying that AB is equal to AC and BC is not equal to that. That is what we have. That's an isosceles triangle. So we learned on the basis of sides. First one, equilateral triangle. Second one, isosceles triangle. The third one, on the basis of sides, is nothing but a scalene triangle. Observe for a scalene triangle, right? What is that? If you look at the length, none of them are equal, right? You take any two, they are not equal, right? And with the help of this, when we form a triangle, such a triangle is called a scalene triangle where no two sides are equal. That means here in this triangle ABC, we are saying that AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to AC. That's a scalene triangle. So you understood the type of triangles. The first three on the basis of sides. Equilateral triangle, all sides equal. Isosceles triangle, two sides equal. Scalene triangle, no two sides are equal. Was that easy? Now let's discuss on the basis of angles. So on the basis of angles, the very first one is a right angle triangle. Understand, observe here. Look at this triangle ABC. Here I'm saying that in this triangle, this angle B is 90 degree. Observe, you can see with the help of a protractor, it is 90 degree. Such a triangle is called as right angle triangle. So what is a right angle triangle? A triangle in which one angle is 90 degree, one angle measures 90 degree is called as a right angled triangle. Beautiful. That's a right angle triangle. The second one which we are discussing is nothing but called as acute angle triangle. Now, what do you mean by an acute angle triangle? What you are seeing right now, that's an acute angle triangle. If you measure each angle here, right, with the help of a protractor, each angle is going to be less than 90. That means each angle is acute. Observe, angle B less than 90, angle C less than 90, angle A less than 90. That means each angle is an acute angle, means less than 90 degrees. Such a triangle, we call it as acute angle triangle. Beautiful. So that's so simple, right? Let's look at the other one. So we learned right angle triangle, acute angle triangle. Next comes this obtuse angle triangle. Let's understand that. Observe this triangle here. In this triangle, if you look at this angle B, this angle is measuring more than 90. That means it is obtuse. So this triangle is called as obtuse angle triangle, where one angle is obtuse, means it is more than 90 degree. So my dear child, we learn types of triangles, 3 on the basis of sides, 3 on the basis of angles. Was that interesting? Now let's discuss something very interesting about the sum of all angles of a triangle. What is the sum of all angles of a triangle? You know what? This property is actually called as angle sum property of a triangle. Now what is this statement? What does this property say? This property says that sum of the measures of all interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Yeah. In any triangle which we consider, let's say we consider a triangle here, and these are the 3 angles here, marked in different colors if you see. If you take the sum of all these 3 is going to be 180 degree, and it is very easy to understand. I'll tell you by a very simple activity. What I consider is nothing but a line. If I ask you, what is this? This is nothing but a straight angle, right? And what is the measure of that? You'll say it is nothing but starting from here 0 to 180. The measure of the straight angle is nothing but 180 degree, isn't it? Now what I'm going to do is, all these angles if you see here, these arcs which we have here, arc, right? The entire thing is nothing but different colors if you see. I'll get all of them combined here. Yes, what do you see? Yes, all 3 combines in that 180 degree, isn't it? Let's say I just name these angles as A, B and C, and those are nothing but the yellow one is A, the pink one is B, and the blue one is C. What do you see? We understand that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. So this proves the fact which I just discussed, that in a triangle, sum of all the 3 interior angles is 180 degree. And that's called as angle sum property of a triangle. And that's very, very, very important. We'll have numerical sums based on it, which are going to be very easy. In a triangle, if I give you 2 angles and ask you to find the third, can you find? Yes, because we know sum of all the 3 angles is equal to 180 degree. Remember the property. What's the name? We call it as angle sum property of a triangle.
And yes, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.